Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Zuri FX. Today I just did a curl. I curled my hair. My hair is not retwisted or anything like that. I just wanted it curled just a little bit. Also, please like and subscribe if you would like some more hair videos. Or just subscribe anyway because I'm cool. Anyway, have a great time watching. Hope this helps a little bit, and I hope you like it. Bye. Okay, my hair is a little damp, but I'm going to go ahead and spray it down a little bit more with water and spray all over my head. Then I'm going to take coconut oil and just massage that on my scalp, and only just a little bit. It will go all around my scalp. All right, so I'm using Murray's Loc and a gel, argan oil. Anyway, so right here you can either take three or four strands of locks, and I'm going to put both of the gels that I have in my hair and just massage it through. Now I'm going to take, what is it, like a noodle curler? A noodle curler. I've had these for a while, so go wrap it around and make sure my ends are tucked underneath the hair. And as I roll up, I'm trying to make it tight, but not too tight that, you're going to tear your hair out, but tight enough so you know the curl will stick. Okay, so I have it on, so now I'm going to bend the noodle. I'm going to bend the noodle, and it locks right in place, just like so. Okay, next I'm going to use a bigger roller, noodle. So this one is kind of long, so I want to kind of grab two sections of my hair and put it into one long noodle roller. I really don't. Zuri, how about Google what these are called? Noted. So I rolled it up, and you see how there's a whole lot more room right there to work with. So I'm going to grab three more strands, three or four, and I'm going to wrap it underneath. When you're curling hair, it's good to wrap the same way throughout the whole head. But since I'm trying to improvise and I don't have that many rollers slash noodles, I'm trying to work with it as much as I can. Yes, I'm almost done. Yeah. Again, just rolling it up, making sure my ends are tucked in underneath the curl that I am making. And go ahead and roll it right up. Nice and tight. Bend the noodle and put it in a lock. Okay, I'm all done. So now I'm going to fall asleep and finish in the morning. Oh yeah, I'm putting my do-rag on. So I'm just going to wrap that around my head to make sure it's nice and loose. Nothing too annoying, you know. Can't have a headache while you're sleeping. All done. Here am I the next day, about to take it out. Let's see how it is. And that's my curl. So this is just something I do every day. I do paint every day and I have my challenges. So since I'm done with my hair, I might as well do my face. So this is no look in specific, but I just want to do my closing. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. And hopefully you like it and come back for more.